Hello guys, so today I'm going to do a 24-hour wear test using this amazing partner in Shine Transferproof lip gloss by Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm really excited for these. I'm using the shade Sepia Shiraz throughout the day to see whether it stays with me or not. These are very simple to use, you just have to shake it and you're all set. Wow, just look at this pigment. The best thing about them that they are only one swipe away to make your lips look on point. So it's 9 AM and let's start our day with a cup of green tea, and this is my absolute me time. And you know what? This lip gloss doesn't leave stains on your cup or your coffee. It is transfer proof at its best. Now it's 12 PM. It's time to play some games while munching my favorite snack. And I don't see any smudging happening around. Kudos! Test passed. Now it's 4 PM and it's time to go for an event. And honestly, I do not have to apply anything on my lips as it is still intact. Isn't it amazing? Tada! We are end of our day and this hasn't left me so far. Creating content becomes easy when you have your partner in Shine. 10 on 10 to this amazing lip gloss by Sugar Cosmetics. These are available in 15 trending shades. I have got my partner in Shine. Do get yours now.